bam, live now, right? Oh yeah, here it is, live now. All right, we're gonna bring that opacity up. We're just gonna leave it as is for now. We're not gonna mess with it too much. We're gonna go ahead and go back and grab the logo as well. Kind of like the way that looks. We're gonna keep it, make sure it's centered. It's centered. All right. All right. Let me see what we have for images. In the sky. I think I've already used the images I've downloaded. Is this it? This is not it. Ignore the political stuff, guys. That's normally what I'm always listening or always watching. So the Pro 2, Round 2, let's see if we can find a pretty good image. I like that. Oh, this one. It's pretty good. I do Track Racer. I like to try and switch them up too, so it's not always the same images. Do this one. So we're gonna go back to the Finder. Let me get something real quick. Alright, we're back. Had to go get something to eat. Alright, so open copy. You're gonna drop it in there. Really like this angle. And we're going ahead and add that camera raw filter effect that we were talking about. High clarity, high texture. This one I'm also going to add, because I don't like how dull it looks, is a vibrance layer. And it's all the way down. I'm going to turn that vibrance and saturation up a little bit so these colors kind of pop a little bit more. Bring that live now over the top. Make it a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to do a select subject tool. I'm going to right click on the wand or press W, and I'll make sure I have the object selection tool. And I'm just going to circle just like that. And AI is going to tell it, here it is, right? The problem with this is it doesn't really get inside here too much, which is only going to be a big deal if we try to add a lot of stuff on the other side of this, which we may or may not do yet. I don't know yet. But we're going to put the live now in a group, and we did all this just so that we can mask out a small portion of it. So there's a little bit of depth there. Do it about like that. I want to keep the blur. I want to keep this. Do that. Those. Kind of like the way that this is already starting to look. I'm going to do another exposure layer. I can get from here. On across the line, 5% flex addition sign. And ye shall find old, but I'm not that old. Young. Convert to shape, convert to a smart object, filter, iris blur. Live now, we keep that. Rounding. Go back to that live now. Again, we'll keep the similar texture and stuff so that they're all about the same. This one I think we might put like a dark blue. I'm really liking the dark blue look, so we're going to solid color real quick. Brown looks really cool, but we're going to go something dark. I'm counting dollars, we'll be counting stars. This is where I was talking about, like, this is where it would start to get kind of crazy, right? Like if you're trying to do too much with the colors. another layer over the top. Stuff a letter words that money shit burn old. Young, but I'm not that old. I don't think the world is so. I'm just doing what we're told. So strong. I couldn't lie. Anything that just makes me wanna cry. I'm gonna make that logo just a little bit bigger, I think. I'll be counting. I kind of like there was like a greenish look. Yeah, I kind of like the way that looks. Counting stars. Take that money, watch it burn, sing in the rhythm, lessons I've learned. Take that money, watch it burn, sing in the rhythm, lessons I've learned. Everything that drowns. I've been losing sleep. Been about the things that we could be. Kind of like, I don't know if I want, there's not much I really want to change with it. It's very simple, it's very straightforward. Maybe lessons I've learned, take that money, watch it burn, sing in the rhythm, lessons I've learned, take that money, watch it burn, sing in the rhythm, lessons I've learned. Let's make you smaller so that we can this line that's going down the center of that is because it's set to inside or on. Hit live, save that, see what happens. Does all repeat? Let me show on. There we go. That's what I like. Nothing too crazy on the font or anything. Now, week 3. So, yep, that was pretty simple. That was nothing crazy, guys. Just a real simple design, real simple put together, nothing too crazy. So, if you guys enjoyed that one, that will finish it for the week 3 graphics for iRSC. Then we'll finish it for the week 3 graphics for iRSC and the graphics that we normally do for them. So I hope you guys learned something from this. I hope you guys picked up something from the tricks that I use, and I hope it helps you with your graphic design journey. I hope it helps you make brands better, and I hope it makes you just better overall. And until next time, we'll see you guys later.